Hi everyone, today we're going to show you a professionally About Us page for your Shopify store. Start right here from your main Shopify admin dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps and then select Smind Sections. Click on the Library tab and continue to click on the Templates tab and choose About Us to filter the results. You will see a variety of page layouts appear, but for this video, we are building for a clothing store, for example, so we have to choose specific template labeled Clothing 5 and click to install. And you'll see the general settings pop up right there, and the app needs a destination, so we are going to create a new page. In the text field provided, type a clear name like My About Us and click the Install button again to confirm the creation of the page. Once the installation is complete, click the Content Editor button. This will automatically redirect you to the Shopify theme editor. Now let's start to customize the entire template, and you'll see this template imported with full of section that we need, and now we have to replace the placeholder content to match your brand. First, find the Image Hero 1.1 section at the top of your editor and click to select a high-quality image for the desktop view that represents your brand. Now for mobile, select a separate image specifically for the mobile view. Then we need to switch to the mobile preview, and you might notice that the text covers the subject like the model's face, but don't worry, we will fix this positioning later. Next, we need to update the heading to your brand name or tagline and also change the description to a brief introduction. You can add a button here, but for this design, we will leave it blank to keep the focus on the imagery. Now for layout adjustments, we have to find the Content Desktop Position setting and change it to bottom left to give the image more breathing room. Then we can adjust the Content Desktop alignment if necessary to match the text flow. Next, find the Mobile Content Position setting and change this to top to prevent the text from obscuring the image subject on small screens. Scroll down to the Rich Text section and replace the placeholder text with your actual brand story to keep it engaging and authentic. Next, navigate to the Video section and click to upload a video. This is an excellent spot to visually promote your brand values or show your products in action. Then we're going to the Image with Text section to explain your product's origin story or detail the materials used, and adding a compelling heading and description for each section. Finally, upload a relevant image that complements the text, like a close-up of materials or a workshop shot. The last section is to create social engagement. Let's find the Instagram section to build trust and personality for your brand. You can change the heading to something inviting like Follow Us and insert the link to your brand's social media profile. Next, we need to upload images that mimic your recent Instagram posts, and for each image, add a link to the specific product or collection featured to provide direct engagement for customers. Well, the final check. We have to review the entire page in desktop view to ensure layout balance and switch to mobile view to verify the Hero section fix and ensure all text is readable. If it looks good, click Save to publish your page. And thanks for watching.